Welcome everyone to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. In this video, I like to share you guys Google Camera Go and stock camera comparison. Google Camera Go edition, which Google has recently released for all the mid-range and low-end devices that do not support GCAM. Google Camera beta version is Google Camera Go, and Google Camera Go will work any Android device without any problem. By the way, I am using Galaxy A6 Plus, and Galaxy A6 Plus camera to API not be enabled. So let's move on the main video. Google Camera Go edition, which Google has recently released for all the mid-range and low-end devices that do not support GCAM. Google Camera beta version is Google Camera Go, and Google Camera Go will work any Android device without any problem. I hope you guys like this video, enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.